मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा आवयचे परस म्हादय आपल्याक वयर म्हणून. ते वयर म्हणल्यार कितें तें आनी आमी कितेंय करपाक तयार आहा म्हणटा तो. बट आय एम आस्किंग हिम दीस बिकॉज दीस इज वर्दी ऑफ अ रेजिग्नेशन. ही शूड एक्चुअली रिजाइन. Why he should resign? Because there is not only one reason, just not this environmental clearance is not good enough. See, if you go by the facts of the case, on 26th April 2019, Karnataka has filed for environmental clearance with MOEF. April, by May, June, July, August, September, October, सोप्पाक आयलो. 6 म्हयने जाले. 6 म्हयने गोंयचे सरकाराक एक कुस्कूट काय हे मेळना. There is a complete intelligence failure, and you are fighting this party in Supreme Court. It's not a small matter. Prakash Javadekaran announce करताना म्हणला की at the insistence of Pralhad Joshi, my colleague Pralhad Joshi, we have given this EC. त्या मनशाक आमचो मुख्यमंत्री मेळा आनी 1.5 म्हयने पयलीं मेळा. सो कोणूच काडना ते गोंयांत. Such a major decision which he claims he has not even been consulted. Does it make him worthy of leading Goa? So I want to now say that we will move the NGT. Goa Forward will move NGT. We have the documents. We don't trust this Chief Minister to move anything. Because all that he may have consulted. He may have been consulted before this decision has been taken. So we will move NGT and we will use the services of our ex-AG, this Datta Lawande, as our counsel to move the NGT. Ada, as a self-respecting Goan, he should accede to our request. We have not met him as yet. We will now approach him to be our counsel in the NGT because we feel there are lots of grounds to stay this environmental clearance.
केंद्रीय पर्यावरण मंत्री प्रकाश जावडेकरान कळसा भांडुराक पर्यावरणीय दाखलो दिले उपरांत गोंयांत पडिल्ले खवदळाचे फाटभुंयेर सरकाराक जाग आयल्या. सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांचे एक पथक तातडीन दिल्ली रवाना जाला. या पथकात मुख्यमंत्र्याचे सचिव पी कृष्णमूर्ती, OSD उपेंद्र जोशी, WRD खात्याचे सचिव हांचो आस्पाव आसा. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.